Hey, what's up, yo? Today, I'm gonna let y'all know 3 random motherfucking useful words or phrases that I went through with my students. So let's get into it. The first one, donna. Some of y'all already know this, but the donna means what type of, what kind of. You know what I'm saying? This very, very useful phrase, bro. So let me give y'all an example. どんな音楽好きどんな音楽好きどんな音楽好き Just like this. You know what I'm saying? What type of music do you like? I want y'all to put nouns after the donna, and it's gonna be what type of something. So it's a questioning phrase. どんなアニメ好き So it's often used with 好き but it could be also used with different words. どんなレストラン行きたいどんなレストラン行きたい What type of restaurant do you want to go? You know what I'm saying? So this is very, very useful. I want y'all to remember this. And the second one is a 少しずつ which means gradually. この本を少しずつ読んでる。この本を少しずつ読んでる。この本を少しずつ読んでる。It's very useful with but we often use them with these te verbs. Verbs te forms, in other words. 食べてる、してる、飲んでる。So this one is very, very useful. 少しずつ. Remember this. Third one, it's kind of difficult one. It's a very hard one, but it's also less frequently used compared to the other two. This is very, very useful too. So I want you to remember this, which is 維持する。維持する。So 維持する means to maintain. モチベーションを維持するのが難しい。モチベーションを維持するのが難しい。So it means that it's hard to stay motivated. So this one is very, very useful. And I think this sentence itself, a lot of y'all are struggling with this, I think, exact same problem that I do. I often talk about this exact situation with my students. It's hard to get motivated nowadays. We get distracted by this, distracted by this. You see what I'm saying? So this sentence itself might be useful for you. You know what I'm saying? I hope not though. モチベーションを維持するのが難しい. These are the 3 very random but motherfucking useful phrases that I wanted to tell you. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.